Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guess what? That's right, it's divisional race weekend. That's right, we are going to Eddyville. That's right, this coming weekend we're going to go up there and compete for Mocan on their team. So with that, let's get ready to go up there. Let's get this day started. Okay, for people that don't know what the divisional race is, what it is, I forgot what division we're in. 5? I can't remember. What?
We'll get something to drink.
We'll go get something to drink then. So anyway, basically a lot of tracks for our division. We'll go up and compete up in Eddyville. Basically, you have a team of 40, no more than 40 people allowed on a team. That consists of either juniors, tops, or mods. So 40 people is the only thing you're allowed to have on a team. So there's going to be, I don't know, 5, 6 different teams there from different tracks. So should be a lot of people, a lot of good racing. The weather is looking fabulous this weekend. So, but no rain is in the forecast, so yeah, can't wait. Last time I was up there was a few years ago, and it rained every day, and eventually I think I got to do one time down the track. I lost the first round. I went home. So anyway, this year hopefully it'll be a lot different. Hope we can go some more rounds this time. So anyway, okay. For these type of races, and especially the distance that we're going to have to travel. I mean, we're traveling, I think our one way is 450 miles, 470 miles one way, okay? So we have to make a round trip. We're talking almost 1,000 miles when it's all said and done. Luckily, that's right. We got the trailer tires all situated. We're ready to go. I'll have 2 spares this time. So we should be able to get up there with little to no issues. Cross my fingers. If you don't know what I'm talking about, click on this video up here. It'll show you all the dilemma I went through trying to get to one race of Mocan. End up being on the road for 7 hours. That's almost the equivalent trip from here to Eddyville. You know, crazy. I didn't get the race because we had trailer tire issues. But this time's going to be totally different. We are prepared. 2 spares, new tires. Hopefully nothing go wrong. Although we did have to replace one battery on the front. You know, what do you have to do sometimes to get to a race, right? But what we have to make sure that we're going to have to bring some extra parts. That's right. We have to make sure we have extra things that, just in case something happens, you better bring some extra parts with you. You know, you never know what could happen. I mean, with that distance we're traveling, you better bring some extra parts. And I guess what? I'm going to show you what some extra parts you have to bring. Some things that you need to bring. You never know, you need some heads. You got to bring some heads with you. Man, sometimes these heads, let me tell you what, they can go bad in your car. You just need to bring some. You know, AC, I don't know, might bring that with you. Never know, a stud finder, why not? Take some studs up there. I don't know, what is this? Valve train, push rods? Yeah, probably need some of those. Hey, you need springs, timing cover. Let's just throw that in there, why not? A starter, why not? We'll go ahead and throw that on there. Okay, MSD. Yeah, always need some extra boxes. Hell, just throw that one in there. That makes our 3rd one. But yeah, anything you need to bring it with you. You're going to need it. You know, the next thing that you need to prove that, man, you are a great driver. You did good at your home track, and you need to display that when you get there. What am I talking about? Big checks. You got it. If you don't have a big check, I'll tell you what, like these, you need to bring them with you, okay? You just need to bring each one of these in here with you to show, hey, you did something good at your home track or wherever you went and won some money, right? The other thing that you're going to need, those decals that's on your car. I don't know, sometimes they're money round winners, sometimes the race is won. You need to get some stickers. If you don't have stickers, go down to Walmart, go down to, I don't know, Buc-ee's, wherever you want to go to, get some stickers. Just slap them on your car and write something on it. Write a dollar amount on it, I don't care. Big checks, you can get those online anywhere. Just go out, Google big checks, get your name put on it, put your own decal, put on your own logo on. I don't care, but you need to bring big checks. No, seriously speaking, just go up there and have a good time. That's all you should do. Is go up to big time. All this other stuff, man, if you want to bring that stuff, go right ahead. No skin off my back, no skin off yours, right? So anyway, just go up there and have a great time. And if you don't have stuff, something breaks down, man, just ask a buddy or ask another racer. Go up to the tire, ask them if they can know, they can put an announcement out, say, hey, you need something. Tell you what, when you go to these type of races, people are very, very helpful with other racers and stuff. So anyway, just go up there and have a great time. That's all you can expect, okay? And that's all I'm going to go up there. I'm going to go up there and have a great time. Hopefully we can go some rounds. Hopefully we can win it. But my ambition is just go up there and have a great time. So with that, now I have to go clean out all this stuff, get that back where it needs to go. I don't know, I might keep some of it there. Not sure. Anyway, with that, still got a lot of cleanup before we leave out here on a Thursday. So it's basically it's about an 8-hour drive for us. So we should be there Thursday, test and tune. Then we got some gamblers racing we're doing Friday. That's 2 classes on Friday for sure. Then we have the team event on Saturday. Then I think they start another gamblers up Saturday evening or something like it. It'll go into Sunday. Not too sure if I'm going to do those yet or not. But anyway, that's it for me for now until we get up there. And I'll get some pictures when we get up there and some video and stuff. So anyway, see you later.